Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share your May 2026 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is our smaller kit of the month. It includes 2 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Our subscribers also get access to 2 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that our design team creates for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and you'll have a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our members, and this month is this awesome cut file, Sweet Summer Days. Has the little Polaroid frame and the lemons with the little florals, so you can use that all together or break it apart. Super cute, perfect for these collections. This month our 2 collections are 49 in Market, The Looking Glass, and Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Lavender Fields. So for all my purple girls out there, this is your month. I hope you're loving both of these collections. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at each one of these. The first collection we're going to look at is The Looking Glass from 49 and Market. You're going to start with 1 sheet of wisteria cardstock and 2 sheets of natural. Your patterned paper is this one. It's called Whispered Ledger. Super cute, and you'll notice here is the looking glass where this collection gets its name, all of the little clusters. You're going to find lots of floral and fauna in this collection. It's just gorgeous. The back is a white polka dot on purple, full branding strips on these. This paper is called Enchanted Note. Again, just full of layers and these gorgeous florals. The back is a white polka dot on green. We have this one, Reflected Tales, and I love this, the little nod to Toad. We have the little twinkle lights up in the tree and stuff. I love these papers, and I say this every time we have 49 in Market. These are so easy to create. Just put a photo, some journaling, and tuck some extra embellishments in, and that page is done. The back is a grid design with florals all the way around. So that is a look at your patterned paper. Your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of some chipboard and the ephemera pieces. So I put the chipboard down here. It's kind of this little triangle here. There's a little frame. Now all of these will vary among the kits because Rochelle splits them up. But this is what I got, and you'll get something similar. I have lots of words down here to create titles. This is the heavy cardstock ephemera up here. I love the frame. The little mushroom. Super cute. So that is 49 in Market, The Looking Glass. Our next collection is the Simple Vintage Lavender Fields from Simple Stories. So this has that beautiful lavender color as well. So be sure to check out both collections when you're creating, because I'm really positive that a lot of these will go back and forth between the 2 collections. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of bitter chocolate. Your patterned paper is the 3x4 element, some gorgeous icons here. I love this here, showing the mountains and the lavender together. The back is a green play on stripes. And then we have Wild at Heart, the lavender. The back is the layered ledger pieces. This paper is called Buzz and Bloom. So we have some gorgeous floral clusters with little bees within them. And the back is another lavender print in a smaller scale. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a row of enamel dots. So these will vary. All of the embellishments will vary. And then you're going to get an assortment of the floral bits and the journal bits. So again, these will vary among the kits, but it'll be something very similar. So that is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Lavender Fields. One more look at your Double Shot Kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store. If you want more product, check out our Flavors of the Month. There's lots of individual items in the store as well. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of challenges and inspiration going on. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.